today I am going to tell you about square roots. In the previous video I had taught you about squares, right? So now I am going to teach you what are square roots. I am going to introduce you square roots. Okay? So in the last video some concepts of squares. By adding without adding find the sum, yeah, so that I have taught you in the last previous video some of the concepts. So here you have to use some of the concepts here too. Okay, so now I'm going to introduce you what are square roots. Okay guys, yeah. So square roots are the inverse operation of square numbers. So square roots are represented by the symbol this one, right? So this is the symbol to represent square roots. For example, we have root 16, root 4, root 64, etc. So for example, if I take 5 square here, in the last video I had taught you. So 5 square is 25, right? So we should take the root of 25. So in your calculator you have if you have a calculator, you should have seen this symbol, right? This symbol represents square roots. So this is a perfect square number, right? So all the numbers ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 at units place, it's a perfect square number. So here 5, it is ending in 5. So it is a perfect square number. So 25 is a perfect square number. So we should take a root of it. So 25, root of 25 will become 5. So root of 25 will become 5. So like that only 5 square is 25. So here if I shift this square root symbol here, it becomes square. If I shift this square symbol here, it will become root symbol, square root symbol. Okay. So in the last video I had shown you the table of squares up to 50. So now I am going to show you the square roots up to 32. Okay. So here if I take this, 1 square is 1, right? So root of 1, if I take root of 1, this one, it will be 1 as always, right? 1 square is 1. If you multiply 1 into 1000 times, it will be 1 only. If you multiply 1 into 1 lakh times, it will be 1 only, right? Yeah. So that only if I take 2 square is 4. And that if I take root of 4, it will be 2, right? So like that only you can go through it once. Yeah. So like that only 21 square 441, root of 441 will be 21. Okay, like that. Yeah, see it. Okay, so the inverse operation of addition is subtraction. Okay, so the inverse operation of multiplication is division. So like that only the square root is the inverse operation of squaring, right? Like that only the inverse operation of squaring is square root. So note, we shall take up only positive square root of a natural number. Okay, so positive square root of a number is denoted by the symbol square root, as I had shown you before. This is the symbol, right, to represent square roots. Yeah, so we shall take up only positive square root of a natural number, right? So if we multiply minus 2 into minus 2, that is if I take minus 2 square, the answer will be plus 4, right? So minus into minus is plus, so it will be plus 4, not minus 4, right? So like that only for taking square root like that, we should only take a positive natural number, not the negative. Okay. So there is some methods to find square roots. The first method is finding square root through repeated subtraction. So the sum of the first and odd natural number is n squared, right? As I had taught you in the previous video, right? As I had taught you in the previous video, that if I add the I make the square of the consecutive odd numbers, first or consecutive odd numbers, so it will become a square, right? Similarly, if we minus the consecutive odd numbers to the number which we have to make the square root, we will get the answer for that, right? We will get the root of that. So for example, here root 81. So 81, we have to minus it by the sum of consecutive odd numbers. So we have to subtract it, right? We have to subtract it. So here every square number can be expressed as a sum of successive odd natural numbers starting from 1. So we should start from 1 and should go subtracting, right? We should go subtracting until we get 0. Okay, so I got 81 minus 80, like that we should go subtracting. And now what we should do to find the square here, to find the root here, what we should do is we should count the odd natural numbers subtracted here. So here we should count how many odd natural numbers we have subtracted. So here we have subtracted 9 odd natural numbers till we get 0. So here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. So 9 we have subtracted 9 times here. Okay, so 9 is the root of 81, right? So 9 is the root of 81. From 81 we have subtracted successive odd numbers starting from 1 and obtained 0 at 9th step. 9th step, right? So therefore root of 81 will be 9. So like that, this is the first method. Okay. So we can also find square roots through prime factorization. So prime factorization is nothing but if we take 6 here, it will be 2 into 3, like that. That is the prime factorization, right? So you can go to this table once. So 6 into 2 into 3. So 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 into 2, if you multiply, you get 8, right? So that's only, this is the prime factorization. So we have factorized this, right? This is the factorization actually, thus. Yeah. So for example, here find the square root of 6400. So what we do is we should prime factorize this first. So we should start from the least number, right? Least number, least even number, least prime number, right? So least and even, only prime number that is even, right? This 2 is the only prime that is even. So we should prime factorize this now. So if we prime factorize this, we will get this as the answer, right? So we have to make groups here, 2 groups, right? So 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, right? So we have to make 2 groups, and next what we should do is, from the 2 groups we should take only one number. We should take only one number from that. If we have 2 into 2, we take only one number from it, right? Only one number. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 is 80. So therefore the square root of 6400 is 80. Like that, this is also a method to find square roots. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. So please subscribe and like the video. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Please share the video. Okay. And gain knowledge in this lockdown period. Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching.